Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. All right, guys, we're standing in my kitchen remodel. What do you think is the most important tool that you're going to need if you're doing a kitchen remodel or any type of construction project? In my opinion, the most important tool you need or have should be the tape measure. Now, this is just a common tape measure, heavy made, has a nice standout, and returns. It has one little simple lock, has the clip. Great little tape measure, but it has a lot of limitations. Let me give you an example. If I'm going up into my attic and I need to figure out how much volume or how much insulation I need to know length times width. So if I'm using this, I'm going to have to go from one end to the other. I'm going to have a helper. If this one's only 25 feet, my attic is 60 feet, I'm going to have multiple stops along the way to try to measure. And I'm going to do that, like I said, length and width. Very painful. The next thing I can use would be a laser measure, which is going to shoot a laser beam across my attic and give me an exact measurement. If I'm standing in the middle, I'll measure all the way to that side, turn it, measure the other side, add them together, and now I have my length. Width is the same way. But there's a better way. This company called Elikliv has a tape measure that does the same thing as that one, but it also has the built-in laser measure. So I've got two tools in one here, and actually I have more than that. I have three tools because this has a built-in function that will automatically figure out things like volume and area. It'll figure out triangles so that if I'm trying to figure out how much roofing material I need, I can use the laser and I can pinpoint the spots on my roof without even going up a ladder, and I know exactly how many shingles that I'm going to need. Now, the first thing you're probably thinking, well, that must be a pretty powerful laser if you're going to be measuring from the ground all the way up a roof. Well, it is. This goes 197 feet with the laser. It actually gives you the 197 feet right here at the top and tells you how far it'll go. Now, the pull-out tape is only going to be about 16 feet. And I will tell you that, the standout where it holds itself up is only going to be about 6 to 7 feet. But it is still very adequate. This also does something else with the tape, though, that I really like. So if I'm working on my kitchen cabinets and I have a kitchen cabinet door on the table and I need an accurate measurement, if I'm going to use my regular tape measure, I have to pull it out, and this one I have to lock into place and try to get that measurement. It's kind of painful. I have to use two hands to do that. Where this one is different is I have one hand, pull it out, and it holds itself in place. I like that a lot because now I can put it down, get my measurement. When I'm ready to pick it up, push the button, and it puts itself back in. That's another added feature. Now, obviously, if this has a little computer in it and all, there has to be a battery source. I like the fact that this is a rechargeable battery, and they're going to give you a USB-A to USB-C cord. And I'll charge this up, and if I'm out working in the field, I don't have to worry about it running out right in the middle of my job and taking all my measurements, because a full charge on this will give you 5,000 measurements. I mean, if you can't get through your job in a day with 5,000 measurements, then something's probably wrong, or you're an extremely busy person. Now, it does have an LED screen here. Now, one of the things it doesn't do that I wish it did is when you pull it out, it doesn't record on the screen the measurement, but it still has the laser, so I can double check. So I can actually save the measurement from pulling this out, and then I can compare it to my laser measurement. And all I need to do, by the way, to work that measurement, or to work the laser, excuse me, is hold the button down and it is going to come on. Now, once it's on, I can start recording measurements. If I hold this down for a long pause, the little laser, you can see it, comes on. And now I can start measuring, and it gives me those measurements. Now I'm going to turn that off because it's going to drive me crazy with the little beeping. But at the very top, you're going to see like it looks like a little square, and it has all your formulas. You're going to want to spend a little time going through those and figuring them out. But one of the things it'll do is figure out the area. So if I need to know how much sheetrock I'm putting on this back wall, I can use the formula and do my length width, and it will figure out the actual area for me. I can also figure out volume. If I'm dealing with something that is holding air, holding some type of a liquid, I can figure out the volume. There's just a lot of really cool things there that I can do. It also will clear at the bottom just by holding it down. The very tip is magnetic, so that if I'm working on something like this, it's not real strong, it's going to pull off. But what it does is, if I'm working my way out here and I'm trying to keep it in the right spot, I can keep it on there with that magnet and keep working my way out much further than I could without the magnet. Helps a lot if you're working alone, which is the way I normally work. If you're needing a really good tape measure, I don't think you're going to go wrong by picking this one up. So do yourself a favor, grab yourself one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.